Hi, I'm Dan from Fully Charged, and today we're looking at the Tern Vektron P5i, new for 2026. The Vectron is nothing new for Tern, it's been in their range for a long time. But the P5i is the first to combine Bosch's smart system and Gates carbon belt drive for incredibly quiet and clean riding. So let's have a more detailed look at the bike in general. The P5i, as we've mentioned, is the first to combine the belt drive and the Bosch smart system. The Bosch Smart System's got the performance line motor, which is 75 Nm of torque and up to 340% assistance. This particular one's got the Intuvia 100 display and the LED thumb controller here. So everything's there at the touch of a button. As standard, the P5i comes with a 400 watt-hour battery, giving a range of up to 87 kilometers or 54 miles. The bike, of course, comes with all the other benefits of the Bosch Smart System, including app connectivity, ride customization, navigation, the eBike lock, and over-the-air updates, with also the smart alarm and GPS tracking as an optional upgrade. One of the great things about the Tern Vectron is its adjustability with a one-size-fits-most approach. The bike is suitable for riders between 4'10" and 6'5". That's 147 to 195 centimeters. The bike achieves this by its telescopic seat post and highly adjustable handlebar post with the Andros and Physis 3D system. Despite being a folding bike, the Tern Vectron really is a mini cargo bike with the Atlas V rear rack capable of carrying 27 kilograms and compatible with things like click fix, rack time and Ortlieb panniers, and of course the all-important child seat for the school run. So looking at the bike in a little bit more detail, the P5i benefits from Schwalbe Big Apple tyres with very high puncture resistance. These mud guards with the rubber ducktail on the end are going to ensure that you keep nice and clean and dry whilst riding. The Magura MT4 brakes are incredibly powerful with only 2-finger operation, and the Nexus 5-speed internal hub gear by Shimano is clean and low maintenance also. So who is the P5i for? And the answer really is everybody. Not just your commuter, but anyone with a space consideration. Maybe you live in an apartment, maybe you have a camper van or motorhome, or are lucky enough to have a yacht and a spaceship. Anywhere really where there's a space consideration. So the verdict? The Vektron P5i incorporates all of the best-in-class elements that you'd like to see. The Bosch Smart System, the Gates carbon belt drive and the Nexus hub gear, making a real low-maintenance, clean and hassle-free product. Fast to fold, great to ride, and ready for real cargo. So we're excited for the P5i to join the range at Fully Charged from spring 2026, where it will be available in all stores, including London Bridge, Silverstone, Cornwall, Guildford, New Forest, and Brighton.